Hello, I'm Amelia from Coveya. Join me today in finding out the benefits of this EK1200 Swan Neck conveyor. This EK1200 conveyor is 10.3 metres long and is designed and manufactured in the Swan Neck configuration with a 30-degree bend section. This conveyor has been fitted with a 3 kW, 415 volt motor gearbox and can reach a belt speed of 0.7 metres per second. The conveyor is designed for feeding a horizontal baler on our customer's site and has been painted in our customer's colours as requested. The vast size of this conveyor is extremely beneficial as it can transport 300 tonnes of material an hour, helping to reduce downtime on site and increase efficiency. The Swan Neck conveyor comes in a variety of widths, 600, 900 and 1200, meaning it can be manufactured to your specific requirements. The modular design makes it the perfect solution where space is limited, meaning it can be customisable to suit your project's needs. Please feel free to contact us and to speak with one of our specialists. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.